Welcome back to day 25 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we're going to finish the A section of Sugar Hill. Here's the last phrase. We'll start with a double thumb. Open first string to fifth string, then third string second fret to fifth string. Following that, we'll play one note on the open third string, followed by a slide from 2 to 4 on the third string. Putting those together, then the second half of this phrase is 2 bum ditties on a C chord, each starting on the open second string. And if we put both of those halves together, we have this. If we were to string together all of our sections of the A section of Sugar Hill, it would sound like this. One nice thing about this tune is that the B section is really just a small variation on the A section, so in many ways you've learned most of the B section as well. That said, be sure that you're comfortable with the entire A section before moving on. Ideally, you should be able to play through the entire A section, even looping the A section, consistently and without stopping. Today's featured banjo player is Walt Koken. Walt is a legend in the Clawhammer banjo world, not only because of his great playing and his knowledge of historical tunes, but also his unique way of playing through these tunes and his own compositions as well. There's truly no one else who plays quite like Walt does. I'll leave some links in the description of this video where you can hear more of his great music. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.